Example number 9. Determine the moment about point O of the 500-pound force shown in the figure. So we write, if we follow the Verignin's theorem, so we write, this is our F sub y going up. This is F sub x going to the right. And the perpendicular distances of our two resolved forces, for F sub x it's 5 feet and F sub y is 3 feet. So we write moment about point O, assuming counterclockwise positive, is equal to force times its perpendicular distance, right? Okay, so this is equal to, now if you can observe, our point O is here, right? And our F sub x is going to the right, yeah? And it causes a clockwise rotation, clockwise moment, while our F sub y, this is our point, and F sub y is going up. So it creates a counterclockwise rotation. So F sub y will be positive and F sub x will be negative. So this is F sub y times its perpendicular distance, which is 3 feet. So 3 minus F sub x times the perpendicular distance, which is 5 feet. So we substitute the values for our F sub y, that is 500 sine 30 degrees. So this is 500 sine 30 times the perpendicular distance, which is 3, minus 500 cosine 30 times 5. So 500 sine 30, that's 250 times 3, that's 750. This now is in pound feet. And then 500 cosine 30, that's 433 point, then some values after decimal point times 5. That's 2000 minus 2165.0635 and then 750 minus our answer is equal to negative 1415.063509 pound feet. And we write our answer, final answer, in its following its correct sense or its correct direction, and that is positive 1415.063509 pound feet, and that is clockwise, or we write the word clockwise. Now, this is our answer. We can always follow the correct, the truth, the original rather definition of moment, and that is we multiply our force 500 with its perpendicular distance rather than resolving it in terms of its y and x component. So what we're going to do is we are going to simply follow the line of action of our F, right? And then we create a line that passes through point O, and it must be a perpendicular bisector, or it will bisect the line of action of our 500. So this here. So uh, we will create a parallel line, a line parallel to our line that passes through point O and still bisects the line of action of our 500, which is this line here, and it passes this point. Okay, so we know that this height here is 5 feet, and we know that this height length here is 3 feet. So what we're going to do is we're going to create another this time a line parallel to the line of action of our 500, and it passes through point O, and this is that line. Okay, so if only we knew the color blue distance sub B, and we subtract the distance color green, this distance dg, we will get our perpendicular distance d perpendicular. Okay, so you try to solve it yourselves and try to see whether we will come up with the same answer, which is 1415.063509 pound-feet clockwise.